number 5 on our countdown, the Mars magnetic disaster. Spacecraft orbiting Mars revealed that the planet carries only the faint remains of its once protective magnetic field. Scientists speculate that the culprit was yet another impact, this one with life-altering implications.
We're not exactly sure why Mars has only a weak magnetic field. One idea is that Mars was hit by a gigantic object, and that heated the crust and mantle, and that decreased the temperature difference between the core and the mantle. Without there being a big temperature difference, there wouldn't be convective motions, the churning motion in the interior of Mars. Without them, you don't get a magnetic field.
On Earth, our global magnetic field deflects dangerous solar particles away from our atmosphere. But on Mars, its very weak magnetic field covers only a few regions of the planet. So deadly solar particles could have eroded away much of its atmosphere.
And over billions of years, you can tend to erode a large fraction of the atmosphere. And that includes things like water vapor, carbon dioxide, things that are excellent greenhouse gases, which have caused the planet to become very cold. And hence, the planet that we see today is a very cold, dry desert.
The loss of magnetism on Mars may have made it impossible for life to evolve and survive on the frigid, arid planet. But some scientists are skeptical that its magnetism died with a colossal bang.
It could be that Mars is simply a small planet, and so it lost its internal heat relatively quickly compared to the Earth. And without the heat, it would have a solid iron core, and it wouldn't create a magnetic field. In any case, once Mars lost its atmosphere, it was unable to support liquid water on the surface because the pressure was too low. Without liquid water on the surface life would have perished.
By the time the late heavy bombardment slowly came to an end, 3.8 billion years ago, every planet in the solar system had received some kind of makeover.
It's very clear that all of the giant planets have moved substantially from where they originally formed. We see that Neptune clearly migrated outward because it picked up the smaller bodies like Pluto and the other Kuiper Belt objects in its gravitational sway and pushed them out along with it.
The planets eventually settled into stable orbits. But now, as they matured, new catastrophes began erupting from within. And in some cases, these volcanic homegrown disasters would exceed anything from outer space.